Come on. This motorhome is the Rapido 8096DF Ultimate Line. Costs €125,610. 749 centimeters long, 294 in height, width of 235. It comes with a queen bed in the back. We'll have a quick look at it right now. First of all, note it's got a double floor and it has a flat floor all the way to the very back. If I come to the back, you can see that the bed will go up and down. That is controlled via a switch in the garage. Storage, wardrobes on either side of the bed, storage above it, and steps up to the bed. We've also got here a door to close, made from solid door. In here we have a very large shower unit with a skylight at the top, and in here to the side we have a toilet with a very large window and skylight. Also note the door will close there. Coming through here we will find that there is a sink, 2 or 3 burners. In this case it's only got 2, but you can have 3 as an option for around €150 or thereabouts. That's what it was last time I looked. Face to face here, layout with seats under these forward facing seats, which are under the side facing seats at present. Up there we've got an extra bed. At the sides here, storage with a ledge below. You'll have a quick look at it. And under the kitchen, of course, there's storage as well. Quite a lot at that. Variety of styles that this comes in. This one is rather dark, depends what you like. And where's the oven? There isn't one, but you could put one in there, for example, if you wanted one, amongst other places. Storage there. Door here, which comes not only with a mosquito screen, but also with a large window with a blind and a bin. I do like a nice door. Okay, so here you've got a double floor there, and we'll come back to the garage here. And in the garage you can see you can make use of bed, you can control the bed. There's the bed, and there's be a switch here to make the bed go up and down, which I'll demonstrate. So the bed goes up like that and it goes to a higher position. It's got to be here because you might have stuff in, if it were indoors, you might have stuff in the garage that could get squashed. That's why it's in there. So there's the Rapid Ultimate Line. It's not top of the range, because the top of the range I think is this M66, which you can see in a different video. But there you go. There's the gas place, gas storage box. So there we have the Rapido 8096DF. Thanks very much for watching, and all the best from me in Germany.